Thanks so much for joining me in this video today. If you've got a web hosting company and you're looking for an affordable, professional way to advertise your business, you are certainly in the right place today, so keep watching this video. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to use the MultiSites platform to build a website for your web hosting business. If you've just stumbled across this video, you aren't quite familiar with MultiSites yet. We pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, no credit card details needed. So click on the link below this video and give it a go. Once you join the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your market. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from, and we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to head to the top, search for my market, web hosting. Let's go ahead and select that template. Awesome. Let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our business so I can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and pop in my city and my state or region. And it doesn't quite matter where in the world your business is located, you can enjoy the Marty Site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and click on continue and let Marty Site work its magic. And there you have it. It's literally done it in not even 10 seconds. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we pre-written all the content for you. As a guideline, of course, we've also pre-selected all the images as well used throughout the website. They're really high quality and they're completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images you'd like to showcase on your website. Maybe make one or two changes to that content. It's super simple today. That's exactly what I'm going to be showing you. To use the multi-sites platform, you don't need to be super tech savvy at all. You can do this all yourself. You don't need to hire a professional to help you. There's no website coding needed at all. So let's head to the top section very quickly. Click on update section. Over here, let's pop in our email address so our customers can easily reach out to us. We want to make sure that email address is visible on our website. So I'm going to go ahead and tick the box. Let's pop our phone number in over here, and that is click to call, by the way. If you have a physical location, put it in here. If you don't, leave it out. Great thing about that physical location, when your customers click on it, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions to your business. Under update social links is where you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. In the next section, you can go ahead and upload your logo if you have one. Once your logo has been uploaded, you can click on that little pencil over it. You can crop it, rotate it, add filters, frames, make minor adjustments. If you're happy with it, click on save. Over here on the right is where you can make it bigger and smaller. Awesome. Now with Marty Sites as well, we pre-selected the colors used throughout your website for you. If you want to go ahead and change it, click on the paint bucket, go through the various color palettes available to choose from. There's so many over there options that could go with your branding perfectly. For each section you want to make amendments to, click on update section directly underneath it. Head on over to update image. Over here is where you can browse your device and upload your images. Search through the photo library if you wish. There's hundreds of images to choose from, completely free for you to use. Otherwise, we've recently added a new feature where you can connect your Instagram accounts and you can literally pull in your own images from your Instagram accounts and upload them easily to your multi-site's website to make it look even more professional and customized to your business. Under update action is where you can change that button text if necessary. You can also link all the buttons to various places if need be. Plenty of options, link to a PDF file, an action like click to call, click to email perhaps. You can even link to another website. Under update content is where you can change that pre-written content that was written for you. And the last section over here is where your customers can easily reach out to you, put in their details, click on send, and you will get notified via your registered email you have a new lead from this form. Now, if you have a custom domain for your business, go ahead and click on the button connect your domain. So I already have a domain, otherwise you can purchase a domain by clicking on this green button over here. I really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your web hosting business. Really wishing you and your business mighty success.